There's my first fish. There's that first bass. All right, fish.
Translates to fish.
He's gonna jump. There's a little fat one. Nice little one. Not worth measuring. Gonna throw him back right there where I caught him. Thank you, buddy. Still got all kinds of fight in him. There's that fish. I don't know how well you can see that. Okay, good. Camera's pretty good. Put him back in there.
You can at least like grab me by the hand and pull me.
Oh, I lost the little plastic part to my. Whoop, 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 whoop. It might be in there somewhere. There's that worm. You know the worm I was looking for? That one. There's that worm.